I'd like to welcome you to the Bombay Sapphire 2011 Artists Finale for the Bombay Sapphire Artisan Series.
Well, this is the finals of Bombay Sapphire Artisan Series. We have been spending a lot of time around the country getting artists together, judging art, putting it together, looking at all the work, and out of the 9 markets, these are the artists that made it to the top of each 9 market and each of the 9 markets. And now we're here in Art Basel to pick the actual winners.
Bombay Sapphire has a long history in the art and design community. You know, we've been supporting young and up-and-coming designers. We had designer glass competitions, and really this is an evolution for us. There's so many talented artists around the country, and so really this is an opportunity to see these different types of art coming to life.
Well, to support Danny and Russell at Rush Philanthropic, and also Bombay Sapphire, I think they align themselves with a really good organization. We support Rush. Actually just bought some of their work, and so anything we can do to kind of support, I mean, it's Art Basel, so it's a really, really beautiful experience. We're having a great time learning about art, supporting art, and finding ways to inject art into our society and support it.
This is an overwhelming display of talent from across the country, and I'm just so happy that I had a chance to stop by and see even a little bit of it.
The imagination is everything, and for me, no cultural community can survive without the arts. Without expression, everything falls apart. So it's very important to continue creative expression and do whatever you can to further this cultural community's imagination.